Are you looking for some new hobbies in the new year?
I love hobbies, yes.
Well,
What we got?
one of your new hobbies should be, just give it a gander, baking.
Baking.
Here's why.
Okay.
This city is filled with bakeries that are fantastic. One in particular we are going to highlight. We're learning from a James Beard Award-nominated pastry chef from a Michelin-starred restaurant. I mean, if that isn't reason enough, okay? Tell everyone who it is.
Chef Sal Martone is the executive pastry chef at Le Jardiniere in Midtown. I did that right.
You
see
did?
that? And I'm not even French. His desserts are not only delicious, but they're also gorgeous. And I can vouch for that. I almost tried touching it. I thought it was art. Welcome to New York Living, Chef Sal.
Hi, how are you? Thank you for having me back.
This is great that you're here. Thank you so much. First of all, how was your New Year's?
Great, great.
Yeah?
Beautiful New Year's.
Did you have to bake? Do you bake all the time?
Yes.
Once a baker, always a baker.
We mentioned your title, executive chef, right?
Yeah, I'm the corporate pastry chef for the Bastian Collection, who has a restaurant in New York, Houston, and Miami. And I travel all the location to change the dessert, implement new dessert.
All right, now executive chef, are you walking around like this, like?
No, I'm a working chef.
You're a working. That's what I wanted to hear. Exactly. You actually get in and do the thing.
Yes, I
That is all right. So then we're in for a treat.
Absolutely.
If some people want to take up a hobby like baking, what suggestions would you have for them? They don't have all the bells and whistles that you have in your kitchens, but
I would say the first thing will be investing in a digital scale and thermometer.
Oh,
Because
okay.
baking is very precise. And sometimes try to navigate with cups and spoon doesn't get you the best result.
okay. And they have some digital scales that are not too expensive out there. So,
No.
Easy to start.
I mean, I know you want to get right to the business of the business.
There's a turntable going on. I
Yeah.
think we need to understand that, wrap our heads around it.
Yeah.
Can we show everybody what is happening here? First of all, what is this?
This is a miniature turning table.
But not for records.
No for records, not DJing.
No, he's not DJing.
So what we do, we piped the chestnut cream around to form a flour. You want me to demo that?
Wow.
I told you. Oh,
Wow.
yes. Let's do
That
this.
is. You're going to show us.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to talk and do at the same time. I never did, but
I have faith in
maybe
you.
it's possible.
So this is, what is this? A caramel? No, a chestnut?
This is the chestnut. So this dessert, it's probably in the Middle Age was born and it's named after the Alps between French, Italy, and Switzerland. The Mont Blanc.
Dolomites?
The Mont Blanc. So the Mont Blanc, it was originally with chestnut and cream on top, and then in the time they add the meringue, and we're gonna have this kind of meringue.
Okay. Can we do another one? Or are you going to add more?
So the plating.
Yeah,
he
yeah.
wants to do one.
Yeah, can he do one?
Yeah.
Do it, do it, do
boy.
it, do it, do it.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Do it,
Let
do it,
him
do
do
it.
this side.
I'm gonna take this off and starting the plating.
What is this little mound of goodness, by the way?
So this is our calamansi cream,
Okay.
and then
I'm gonna see.
tangerine jam on the bottom, and we're gonna place the flour on top.
This is a work of art. Did you study art? No?
We're about to find out.
I know you didn't study art. Okay.
All right.
All right, Nelson.
So the important thing is to hold it next to the pin
Okay.
and let it grab, and then moving down slowly.
Moving down slowly.
I have
Should we
faith in
do
you.
like ghost
not
where
nervous.
He'll be your Patrick Swayze, so you're
You
Demi
have to
Moore.
sing to me too at the same time. You do that. All right, squeezing it out.
Yeah. Let it grab it, yeah. Wow, you're doing great. Go down a little bit. Yeah. Slowly. Push more. Wow. For first trial,
It's going off.
for first trial is no
It was
bad.
going. It was
You move
going.
it away from the center. There we
I'm
go. Let's do
getting
it
very
again.
I'm nervous. My flowers.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
just
go
squeeze it.
down.
Chef,
slowly.
can he work for you? If his fancy job in television?
Watch
you
your
know.
mouth.
Yes, we're gonna buy first the
Hold
digital
on.
scale and
Hey,
as the
hey.
first step. But this is good.
Wow.
We got to
No
the.
Bravo.
Hey.
You did it. You did it, Nelson.
I piped the hell out of that thing.
Love it. Okay, now that you've done this, we're finishing plating. What is this dessert exactly?
So we start from the bottom with tangerine jam,
Okay.
and then calamansi ice cream, And then the chantilly with the cream we just piped with chestnut. You know, is candied chestnut in syrup and with some vanilla. You can see
Oh,
that
this is the vanilla bean.
they become like translucent after they've been with in the syrup for a while. And those are very thin, crispy meringue, very delicate.
This is too beautiful to eat.
You can break them just by looking at them.
Oh my gosh. While you're doing this, wow. Thank you for joining us, Chef Sal. You can check out all of his culinary creations and pastries at La Jardinière on Lexington Avenue between 52nd and 53rd. And are you doing something beautiful for Valentine's Day? Look at this.
Yeah, on Valentine's Day we have, actually we run Valentine's Day for 2 days because it's on Friday,
why
the first
not?
day, yeah.
Yeah.
It's on Friday, the first day, the 14th, and then we also have on Saturday. And we have like a very delicious menu, and we are bringing all the bell, truffle, caviar.
All the things. Oh, really? Really? He couldn't
King
even
crab.
wait.
I couldn't wait anymore.
Well,
I'm
thank
sorry.
you very much. This was beautiful, and congratulations.
Delicious. Oh my
Thank you so
all the
much.
things. Save some for the rest of us,
No.
please.